Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 NFL Thursday Night Football postgame show. Well, the Dallas Cowboys beat the New Orleans Saints 13-10 at AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Boy, the Cowboys got a big win last Thursday on Thanksgiving Day against the Washington Redskins, and now the Cowboys got a big win over the Saints tonight in Week 13. For the Saints, their 10-game winning streak is over, and the Cowboys have now won 4 in a row. Dak Prescott and the Cowboys are happy. What a game for the Cowboys tonight. They really played well against the Saints. Jason Garrett was very pleased with the Cowboys' performance tonight, and the Saints played well too, I felt. The Cowboys go to 7-5, and the Saints fall to 10-2. Jalen Lewis had an interception that sealed the Cowboys' win, and I have to give credit to where credit is due, and I have to give the game ball to Cowboys quarterback Dak Prescott. 22 of 28 carries and attempts, 48 yards, and 2 touchdowns and 1 interception. And I also have to give the game ball to Ezekiel Elliott as well. They played well tonight, and I thought the Cowboys had a great game planned tonight against the Saints, and this is the first time since 2010 that the Saints were held to just 10 or fewer points in a regular season game. Now, the Saints really, even though it was a low-scoring game, the Saints just really, they played well, but they just couldn't battle back, and they just felt that, I just felt that this was a really, it was a good game for the Saints, but they just could not come away with the win tonight, and that ended their 10-game winning streak. But we're not done by far with football yet. Week 13, we're just getting started. The Indianapolis Colts will face the Jacksonville Jaguars in Jacksonville. The Pittsburgh Steelers and the LA Chargers will square off on Sunday Night Football in Pittsburgh. The Carolina Panthers will face the Tampa Bay Buccaneers at Raymond James Stadium in Tampa Bay. The Baltimore Ravens will play the Atlanta Falcons in Atlanta at Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta. The Houston Texans will battle the Cleveland Browns at NRG Stadium in Houston, and the Browns know it's going to be an explosive challenge for them. This game is going to be a tough challenge. The Miami Dolphins will take on the Buffalo Bills at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami. The Denver Broncos will play the Cincinnati Bengals at Paul Brown Stadium in Cincinnati. The LA Rams will play the Detroit Lions at LA Memorial Coliseum in LA, in Los Angeles. The Green Bay Packers will play the Arizona Cardinals in Arizona at University of Phoenix Stadium. The Kansas City Chiefs will play the Oakland Raiders at Arrowhead Stadium in Kansas City. The Tennessee Titans will face the New York Jets I think it's in Tennessee at I can't remember. Well, in Tennessee, in Nashville, Tennessee. The Chicago Bears will face the New York Giants at MetLife Stadium in New York. The New England Patriots will play the Minnesota Vikings in Foxborough at Gillette Stadium in Foxborough, Massachusetts. The Seattle Seahawks will play the San Francisco 49ers. I think that's in Seattle. I think no, I think it's in San Francisco. It's Santa Clara. It's at in San Francisco and Santa Clara, California, I believe. And and Monday Night Football, the Philadelphia Eagles will face the Washington Redskins, and I believe that's in Philadelphia, I believe. So we're just getting started here. I know I'm getting off track, but the Notoriety Show Choir of Solon, which is the adult community show choir that I am with, that I'm a member of, that I'm in my 20th season with, will have their annual holiday show coming up on Wednesday, December 5th, 2018 at 7 p.m. at Solon High School in the lecture hall. And we are, it's going to be an evening of seasonal holiday music, including Christmas and Hanukkah selections. Excuse me, as we kick off the holiday season, and it is at 33 Inwood Drive in Solon, Ohio. Tickets are $10 in advance, and they are $5 for kids, $11 for seniors, and $12 for adults at the door. Group sales for 6 or more are $9, and you can call my friend Ann Michaels, also the accompanist for Notoriety Show Choir, at 216-407-6707, or you can go to the email address notorietyshow.choir@gmail.com. And so, all of my friends in Cleveland, come on out and see us. Join in for a big holiday treat. We're going to get you in the mood for the holiday season and really get you in the mood to kick off the holiday season and get you in the mood for the holiday season in general. So really, to all my friends in Cleveland, come out and see Notoriety Show Choir. It's a holiday show at 7 p.m. next Wednesday, December 5th, 2018, at Solon High School in the lecture hall, 33600 Inwood Drive in Solon, Ohio. And I just wanted to give that a plug. And for what a night, what a game for the Cowboys tonight. And I really gotta. This was a big win for the Cowboys tonight, and I know the Cowboys are happy. Jerry Jones is happy, and Cowboys head coach Jason Garrett is happy. So this was and the Cowboys do have a chance to make the playoffs, and are really looking to do it, and it's a long way off, but they could have a chance to get back to the Super Bowl. So it's a long way from there, but we'll see what happens. We'll see how the Cowboys can fare out the last 4 games coming up. So that we'll see what happens. Well, that is just going to wrap it up for this Scott Sports 101 NFL Thursday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with you on Sunday for Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day and every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.